Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show to you how we can create a table in LaTeX document in very easy way without getting in touch or hard code into the LaTeX format. So as you can see in this document, it is empty document. It only contains title, my names, and also the introduction part. And we will put a table into this section of introduction. So we use in my case, I'm using LibreOffice Calc. So this is the application that we use every day. I think you can use Microsoft Excel. You can also use Google Spreadsheet. And in my case, I'm using LibreOffice Calc, and it is very easy, and we can get the visual components of the table directly. Uh, and I think it's quite easy to make a table using these applications. So as you can see here, this is a table that I think a bit complex. The title for this one, for example, the number, it has two rows. This A has one row with three columns, and this AA, AB, and AC have one row, and this B has two rows. And as you can see, this is the table. It has the borders. And what we can do is we just copy this table. Sorry for this one. Okay, we can Control C or right click and copy. And after that, we open the browsers and you can access tablesgenerator.com. So this is the website that helps us to create a table in LaTeX. And just for the simplicity and convenience, we can create a table and you don't have to worry about the number of rows and also the number of columns. Just create as it is. And then we can pass our table into this website. Or if it is not working, then we can just put Control V. I think this Control V will work. Okay, this one like this. And as you can see, the table is exactly the same with our spreadsheet application, but there is no border in this table, so we need to create a borders. You can click this icon, okay, and then we can create the borders manually, or you can use this one, which is you can block this and you can create a table like this one. Or let's say if you have a special case and some of the required publishers, we can create this like this using this button, and we can make manually like this. Okay, some publishers just want a simple table like this with a border for the titles and borders at the bottom of the tables. So after we're done, we want to make sure that this is has aligned with center. This also center. Okay, this is center. This also center. Yep. So after we done with the formatting of the table in this website in tablesgenerator.com, so we click the generate button, and as you can see, it is the tables generated into the LaTeX format. And as you can see, there is some information. Please add the following required packages to your document's preamble, which is use package multi-row. So in my case, in my LaTeX editor, I have add the multi-row package. So you have to make sure that this is added if the information provided like this. And after that, we copy this LaTeX format with the green button, copy to clipboard, and afterwards I move to my LaTeX editor and then just simply Control V, and we see how it is work. And as you can see, this is working very well. But I need to put into the top, just add age, and you can see this is the table that we want, and it's very easy without creating the table directly into the LaTeX. And sometimes if we make a mistakes, it's not easy to see how it looks in real time, but with your favorite editors like Microsoft Excel, Spreadsheet, it is quite easy to change everything, and with the help of this website, it can generate into the latex format. Okay, thank you. I hope it helpful for you.